What's good, YouTube? We back with another banger today, and we in the BEEFA team. Oh, I see you, though. And we got Adidas shirt right there, too. Let's see what's going on, bro. We in the car meet, bro. Come on. We got 12 right there, too. Standing on standby. I know they want problems. Who that? Who that? Who that?
Ali.
Ali, your stupid ass.
Ali ide cres.
You're dyke ass. Look at your stupid ass.
But tell me what? Yeah. Huh?
Nigga, he's coming.
Shit.
He's tough. Let's go.
Don't waste my time.
Shit, 12 gonna raise these niggas.
Hey, don't waste my charger.
Boy, shut your ass up, nigga. Always trying to say stupid ass shit, but boy, get your ass on, nigga. What the fuck? Look at this Indian ass
Look
fit.
at your ass, nigga. What the?
Nigga, this my merch, nigga. What the fuck?
Ass fit.
Bro,
What the fake ass Yeezy, nigga?
fake ass Yeezy is crazy little nigga. Just pop it out your mouth.
Look at little bando. What the Kodak black shirt?
Nigga said Kodak black is crazy. Look at Trillo right here.
Type shit we gonna let you know.
Hey, y'all trying to go through here? Who said that?
Ali.
Pulling up to your crib?
To his crib, yeah, he trying to eat.
So what y'all what ass? This nigga got a tough state away. This ugly car. Okay. Look like V6 or what, bro? I don't even know because yeah, it do look like V6. Got a little super out here. Hold up, bro. Wait. Alright, okay. Look, Miata. I already take the nigga Miata. Ooh. Honda, the Hondeezy, boy. The Hondeezy. Where that? Swear to God. Let's go see.
Oh, that bitch got a badge on it.
Alright, let's go see. Come on. Hey, Adidas. Hey, look, you see my nigga James, bro? These niggas love a whole 300, bro. This is an S-class, boy. Boy, what? You know this nigga not playing, but custom paint and all that shit, bro. Bro.
Damn, this so
Look, bro. Look, bro. Hey, follow him on this Insta, bro. Nigga got a hard ass car, bro. Nigga, don't play on God.
I'm finna get this.
On God. Hey, follow him on Insta. This your car? Oh, shit. Your shit hard, bro. Following him on Insta? Hey, DC, you still trying to ask your question? You still trying to ask that question?
Yeah, go ahead. You got it.
Say, I don't know what you ask, man.
I'm
This nigga think I'm gonna get caught up with them 12. Ooh.
Ain't that exactly what you?
On God, nigga. SRT motherfucker. Wide body, nigga. On God, nigga.
Hey, rep that hoe.
Ah, 12. Nah, what? Hey, they. Now I can't want to ref. Hey, whoa. Okay. You gonna let him do it? Come on. Oh, nigga, do it again. Basically your voice when you say do it again. Hey, you don't matter, bro. This is hard shit. Oh God, bro. I'm trying these 12, bro. I'm telling you, you can't fuck with HTX. Actually, sheriff for been ass cops, bro. These motherfucking ass, bro. Why did not you?
Just one HBDW like that.
Not HBD, sheriff. Hey, I dare you to do something stupid, bro. Woo! Hey, he wild, bro. This is an F1. Let's walk down this one. Bro, this car look hard as shit, bro. Huh? What'd you say? That's what I'm saying, bro. It's like, no, I ain't gonna lie. I wish he started and we could rev it, bro. We got Beamers out here. But look at the whole cat, bro. Look at the cat, bro. But his shit got a whole starlights in it, but if y'all see it, that's a whole starlight, though. This nigga's not playing. Oh, wait. Look at this Shelby, bro. 5.0 ton. So cash. You talking about a Chrysler? Or just a regular 5.7?
No, I'm talking about the heavy bag.
What up?
That's crazy. Go over there.
That boy got a Chucky. That nigga wild.
Suicide doors in that house.
Cause that big ass dog, boy. Woo-hoo. That's a little scat, bro. Street runner, boy. Got a. Bro, look at this Chucky doors, bro. That nigga's not playing, bro. Huh? Shit, scat right there. Another scat. Street runner, okay. RT. SRT. It's not a track. It's a SRT, right? Huh?
Maybe got an ape on it.
Yeah, SRT. What'd you say?
Why you don't do like something like this to you?
Well, they got the whole Mopars at the back right here. All these is crazy, bro.
8%.
Oh God, my shit on 5%.
Viper, actually. Wait, who's doing this? Bro, Elion, bro, get your ass on, son. Elion, you're stupid ass, boy. What the hell? Ooh, dance. Damn, look at another Chrysler out here. Yo. James, man. Yo. Scat. You don't mind us recording?
Yeah, it's cool.
Ooh. You see the SRTA? Don't play with that, bro. Ooh.
Yo, what is my
Wait, should I tell him to start it and do a little thing to it? Excuse me. You mind starting and revving for the vlog? Please.
Yeah, I gotta put the battery back in.
Ooh. Thanks, bro. Hey, you got an Insta or something like that so they can follow you on?
Oh, fuck, they know the key.
Well, I see you found that bitch on the way, huh?
Yeah.
You gonna have to crawl in that motherfucker.
Y'all don't play for sure, bro. He got a whole vlog camera right on, bro. Oh, God. But I don't think, what is it? Oh, my God, bro. Y'all don't play, bro. This is a little hard. He got scared, but I ain't gonna lie, this is the Mopar collection right here, bro. Look at it. Huh? Where? Right there? Oh, this one right there too. Ooh. Oh, they don't play for real. Huh? Oh. Oh, them the big ass batteries on there.
All that shit.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Hey, can I record the enter?
It's not even like some shit you see, bro.
Damn. See, I don't play with the SRT8, bro. Look at it, bro. And James be looking for SRT8 since, bro. He been looking for it, bro. And y'all help him find the SRT8, bro. Woo! Okay. Hey, mother, don't play. Yo. SRT, bro. SRT8, bro. SRT8. SRT8. Oh, God. Oh, God. I got a question. By any chance, can I rev it, please? Huh? Can I rev it, please? Please, bro. Oh, my God. You's a W man, bro. You gonna let me rev it, bro? Hey, James, record me while revving it, bro.
This man too happy.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, bro. Thanks.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yo. That was loud as hell. Okay.
I'm pretty sure that's the same price from the last car.
Oh, fuck. That shit was loud.
Okay. Talk your thing. Again, bro.
Las flemas.
12. Ooh. Nah, he don't play, bro.
Read this shit.
What that say, bro?
Yeah, too reckless, nigga. That's where we come from, nigga.
Bro.
Too reckless, nigga.
On God, bro.
Remember that shit.
On God.
Read that shit.
On God, bro.
Read that shit.
Nice, man. They don't play on God, bro. See that? On God, they don't play, bro. Bro, this is gonna be a good content, bro. Oh, James, look at it right there. Bro. Yo, this is crazy, bro. Yo, he don't play. He got the Mustang logo and everything, bro. What? What you talking about, man? I'm telling you, bro. I ain't gonna lie, Mustang be a hard shit to go to. I ain't gonna lie. Got the little horse emblem. Wait, should I exit to rev it again? Rev it.
They got to rev that whole too.
Okay.
Remember that.
Huh?
Reckless. Too reckless.
Right. Hey, drop your Insta if you want to, right?
Shit, it's right there, bro. We got South Park Trucking. We got 713 Chill, man.
Okay, y'all hear it.
And then we got Too Reckless.
Too reckless. Look at it, bro.
Shit, I'm just
They don't
saying,
play
man.
on the street.
This is just one of our cars.
One of is crazy on
Man,
God.
y'all need to come out to motherfucking Houston Pit. Legal Pit.
Legal.
Bro,
Hey, you gonna have to let me know I'm gonna be coming then, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
See, you got a Joker Max on.
See that coyote on that bitch?
Yeah, I saw it, bro. That hell hard.
He finna take that one off. He finna put one there that reflects at night.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Ooh, this is hard. a twin turbo?
Hey, wait.
Bro, follow him on this Instagram. Hey, ain't that what Lasky got? Yeah, that's what I said. 300 Lasky. He got that shit something like this.
Them hoes outside.
See what I'm talking about, bro. I'm talking about this is gonna be bad, bro. Huh? I don't know, they right there. Behind the car. See, I get to at least rev your favorite car.
I should rev that hoe.
Huh? You could have asked him, he ain't asked him. But where these people at? You back? You back? Oh, no. Oh, down. It's coyotes hard there. You finna rev it again? Oh. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna rev it so badly, bro. Huh? Hey Jay, hey, let me tell you, you got the chopper, you got everything in control. You want another?
No, I'm good.
They don't play, bro. They don't play, bro. I'm telling you, bro. That's the same one? Which one? This is what I'm finna do, man, bro. Should I just leave my whole cat and just do a 5 son, bro?
I'm telling you, nigga. 5'7", nigga. You don't need no cat, nigga.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, it is.
5'7".
Bro, look, bro. I ain't gonna lie, the same person with GC, you correct, bro. Same person from last time, bro. It's the same person, I could tell, bro. Listen, bro. He just rapped it again, bro. Yeah, remember that time he had like,
How many times I got to
follow him on this Insta. Look at this Chucky. She don't play, bro. Ooh, you took a flick of this? No, he started without us. Yeah, I tell you what, it just be bad in the car beat, bro.
Nigga, that shit tough, nigga.
He is one.
Tough, nigga. Straight tough.
Say Chuck, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Wait till James get his shit, boy. SHT going crazy. I ain't gonna lie though. I'm trying to see if it's really these SHT, bro. Huh? What else?
You know who finna be tweeting?
Who?
Chris on the chat.
Damn. Chris over 1K. I ain't gotta call him, bro. I know his crib right here. What? Oh God, we gotta go by down there, bro. That should be bad. Oh, I'm telling you, bro. That should be bad, son. Hey, what's up? What's up with the food, though? Oh God, bro.
Hey, chat. What's down with the law?
Well, I think he going out. Hey, should I follow him outside?
So far, bro, the best whip I've seen, I think I'll have a fucking 570.
That's our day. Nah, that dude is sleepy. But it's more this. I wouldn't really know. The dude with the drone, like his drone lost. Hey, rap your shit, bro. This shit not rapping no way. Like, what's up with it, man? Rabbit. Bro, what is... Bro, look at this car, bro. I'm not about to walk all the way down there for that, bro. If I walk my door, you better let me slide. I ain't gonna lie, this one day, chat. Right, chat?
Yes, sir. It ain't gonna be us one day.
It could be us one day, bro. But if I come, y'all better let me rev it, boy. I'm not doing this for free. I'm not about to walk all the way down there for nothing, bro. Street, what is wrong with these people named street runners, bro? Ooh, another cat. Peanut butter tea too? Yeah, come record, bro. I'm sure of that. We doing most crash out.
Look at Big BEEFA smashing, nigga. These niggas matching, you feel me? Hey, get these hoes.
Turn the underscore collection 1, bro. Come cop, bro.
Hey, we out. Big body, big body.
Fat ass nigga eating a hoe. Nigga eating good, bro. Yeah, I said, we're not going yet. We're not going yet. Just record. Record, tell me.
Look at these niggas.
My time, I'm still in your blog.
Nigga say he's still in my block. Boys, you stupid! Hey!
Y'all fucking with
It's a stinger, bro. You know these motherfuckers got last call, nigga.
Listen, that's not even what I'm worried about. See,
You talking about the green color?
I know I want a green car. Y'all fucking with this, bro?
that green over there. That's stinger, boy.
Hard as fuck. That green over there, low-key hard as fuck. That's
my fault, little nigga.
you listen to me. I'm talking about this green cool, right?
Yeah.
But that green over there, even better. I'm trying to get a picture. All right, I'm done talking.
Hey, somebody gotta come let me laugh, boy. You alright? Hey, thanks, bro.
Only one
Bro, I gotta record.
Yo, you better just do it.
What is wrong with this nigga, bro? Bring it on Monday. Alright, don't do it. I'm finna say, I told him I was gonna bring it today. Do it again. That shit ass, nigga. That shit ass.
Why even take the time to put in the work in there?
Oh, God. Alright, you come on, son. Man, that's me and James. Oh, God, bro. We gotta block our tongue, bro. Make a whole trip out this whole thing. Let you see how motherfuckers gonna crash, bro. fine too. She was fine, bro. That's just so funny, the shit we be doing, bro. I hate when the cat, like... Popped in my ear, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that shit popped in my ear. That shit popped in my ear badly, bro. Man, look at this pump pussy ass niggas, bro. Say it again, bro. What? He said, do it again. I think so. I think we know.
I think he said,
Yeah, he said it. Yeah, he said, do it again, bro.
again, I'm taking it back.
Nah. He not taking none of it, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, I might do. I think get some bus cars.
Fuck, we dropping slow for. Are you barking? He said, do it right now. Do it burn out. Hey, police say do a burnout, right? Nah, he too scared for that, huh? Oh, imagine. I know that nigga not that stupid to do it. Damn, this punk. Hey, they going through there, son. They going through there, bro. Yo! Bro, this one we need our shit, bro. Like 12 gonna catch up to it, we gonna have to run. Yeah. Fuck we driving slow for? We gonna run. We gonna have to run, So Adita, yo ass, run the can. Hey, this was already post up now, bro. Car shit gonna be happening here. Oh. Over there better. Alright, Chuck. Come on, Darkos! Oh, never mind. Back up. Alright, come on, do your stupid thing, Chuck. Do something stupid. Come on, bro. You been doing stupid shit this whole time, bro. Come on. 5.7 twin turbo, bro. Do burnout turn? Oh, 12. Don't do it, though. Oh, nah, he gonna get it. This nigga gonna might as well fuck it and do it, bro. This motherfucker. He can't catch. It's a 5.7 though. It's twin turbo.
What's the Instagram?
You gonna do something stupid, bro.
I'm trying.
Whoa! And that dyke ass nigga on guard, nigga. Nah, they gonna catch his ass. Man. Hey, wait, let him go. Oh, 12 by the light too. Oh, his dumb ass, bro. And they never get a mood over. Over there, nigga. Hey, come on, do your thing. Damn, you niggas stupid for doing this. You could have waited for 12 gone. I told Divas. What the fuck is this slow ass shit here for? Top not here, don't worry, you good. Slide it, bro. Oh, you're not gonna do the swinger like that. Come on, son. Don't do no do. Wait, hold on. On God. Yo, she gonna crash this one. Ain't no car. Come on, bro. Ain't no 12, bro. Ain't no 12, bro. Come on. That Honda easy. Come on, Honda easy. But do it for the vlog though. Come on, do it for the vlog. You also vlogging. Come on, do it for the vlog. Oh God, bro. Do it for the vlog. Come on. You don't know how to do a burnout?
Don't hurt yourself.
Alright. Somebody, you gonna teach you how to do a burnout, bro?
We were spinning at home. Spinning here.
Yeah, but ain't no 12. 12 already got somebody down there. You don't.
No space for me.
We gonna make space. Don't worry. No, pause. No, DJ, bro. I'm talking. We gonna move like.
Traction control and just.
I know how to do that shit.
Oh.
Don't you? Come on, bro. It's good. Don't get the impression.
Where you been? Come on, bro. It's actually. No, this nigga's not playing, bro. Oh God, he not. Oh God, he not. Go to the front, Dita.
She don't know, but I started this shit with him.
They started
I
stuff.
told him that she called him a bitch. So now he out here racing us.
Oh, for real?
And then this nigga just being a bitch. He don't want to let out his window.
That's trash ass shit.
Ain't that shit. I don't even care about the roads no more.
What I would do, by the way. Well, what kind of... Okay.
Oh yeah, you was freaking in the bit, boy. What the fuck is that? Oh, that's down there.
Come on, bro. So those are stupid ass strokes now, huh?
It's alright.
Come on.
We don't even expect it.
Ain't 12 right.
Somebody gonna tell me he can't park there. Matter of fact, let me make my way over here.
Oh, bro.
Fuck that nigga, man.
Fuck 12, we don't fuck with
Okay.
We out running niggas for a living.
His ass tripping, bro.
I'm a civilian.
Oh, that nigga.
They back with that shit in them big ass clouds.
Oh, they got a TRX?
I'm gonna hit your ride on the back of her shit.
Nah, you got kids in the back. You're not doing it.
Man, them kids know what it is. Nah, I had a 3 on the back.
Okay, okay. Yo, what the fuck?
Oh, we over here. Now we follow the cameraman. Put the extender on that bitch though. That hell got an extended clip. Hurry up! That bitch got a 30.
See, you know we gonna play out here for this vlog, man. Vlog gonna pay out sooner or later.
That's W investment. I'm done. That motherfucker all black.
Shit too, bro. I'll get your ass on, bro. This nigga, bro.
That nigga got a 30 on gas right now. But that nigga, I used to see how he pulled that off.
What this trash ass shit doing, bro?
You right, that shit a post wiper. Push back. We out this.
Oh, I know you doing something stupid. I know that cute.
Man, we gotta hit the front.
I'm gonna just extend this up, boy.
Put that shit over.
Damn, nobody seen the stupid shit you doing. Ah! Come on, do your. Come on, do your thing, twin. Do your thing. Come on, slide this out. I know this nigga did not make me come all the way down here for this shit, bro. Hey, slide this out, bro. Slide it.
Police over there, don't do it.
Let it talk, man. I don't see no truck.
Ain't no police, no.
Hey, let down. Oh, they caught him already. No.
I know you gonna show
I know you gonna slide your shit, my nigga.
I know you gonna show us something.
Hey,
You got a BBL on this motherfucker too. That nigga say he's got a BBL. Oh hell. I know you don't be fucking it out, nigga. Ain't no space.
Hey, make way for the BBL, bro.
Y'all funny in the home, man.
Hey, woo, slide your shit. That weak ass shit, bro. Hey, slide your shit, bro. Do that thing. Hey, at least make it a cool ass slide, bro. Slide it, bro. I don't got slim body, but you know, it's whatever though. Hey, you know your time, come on. Come on, slide that shit. Hey, slide your shit, nigga. You weak ass bitch. Hey, bro. Hey. What time you want? Let's slide this shit, bro. Slide your shit. Slide your shit. You pump pussy.
Hey, hit me, it's a Mustang.
Bro, go crazy.
Try to get a cat.
This motherfucker gonna crash it, bro. What you see, bro? Bro, use that W lane, bro. Come on, bro. Slide your shit, bro. Slide it, bro. Man, that punk pussy ass, bro. Hey. Bro, these niggas don't know how to slide. Let me slide this up, bro.
Let me slide.
Look at that bitch ass nigga. That nigga stupid, bro. Look. Come on, bro. Be a
No, you're not scared of the police.
I know you not, bro. Be the dumbass I taught you to be.
Hey, it is time to act musky.
Come on, bro.
Act black. Black power.
I'm gonna give it a Black Panther, bro. Slide this on, nigga. Slide it. Man, you's a bitch. Oh, God, bro.
Oh, shit. Hey, my nigga,
Man,
you going straight to
don't ever do that shit, bro.
Hey, my nigga, ain't back. You must be. Damn, let's start.
Come on, Big Beefy.
Oh, my God. This shit is too funny.
Oh, he back?
He got an extended big.
Oh, look at all these, bro.
He got a GTS bag on there.
Hey, turn nigga, hey, you wanna come over here?
The fuck?
Shit, turn that motherfucker to Optimus Prime, bro.
You say Optimus Prime.
God, these motherfuckers got me sweating, bro.
Oh, shit, they got my nigga They got free money.
But he should let me hit it, boy. Ain't no way, bro. Why would you make... Oh, Mustang coming, bro. Let that motherfucker do his stupid ass shit. Come on.
I know what's wrong with it.
I'm trying to stop traffic, but he do stupid shit, bro. I'm gonna be...
Oh, you got the right tires for a reason.
Bro, be a profound Mustang owner, bro. Do the stupid shit that you were meant to be doing, bro. Come on, bro.
Act black.
He got ETS bag.
Come on, bro. Actually, bro. Come on, bro.
Fuck the police. I know you're not scared.
Oh, God. Be a Mustang driver, nigga.
That's a young nigga black.
Blast that Mexican music, bro. Bro, come on, bro. Your ass get arrested, He said your ass get arrested. Hey, come on, bro. Be a profound Camaro owner, bro. Do that stupid shit I taught you to be doing.
I'm here, daddy, and I say spin it now.
Niggas out here.
Hey, if you don't spin it, I'm gonna shoot somebody.
Boy, spin this motherfucker. Hey, spin this motherfucker, bro. Who's that bitch? Come on, bro. Do your stupid shit I taught you to. Come on, bro.
Hey, now you black.
You black. Shut up, Black Panther. Do that Black Panther power, bro. Blast that music, bro.
Hey, play some.